substances bound together in such a way that chemical processes are necessary to separate them. Iron is usually found as a compound. Most rocks are mixtures of several minerals. Understand?
Yes, sir.
Any questions?
None so far.
So far, sir.
Okay, class dismissed.
Sir, ano po yung ginagawa niyo?
May nahulog lang.
Okay. Ano ba?
May problema tayo, nak.
Ano po yun, ma?
Anak, wala na tayong pera.
Wala na tayong pera?
Oo, nak. Kulang na tayo sa budget.
Sige, ako na lang bahala.
Sige, nak.
Ikaw, wala ka ng kwenta dito sa bahay. Puro ka na lang inom at gala. Wala na tayong budget pagkain at wala na tayong gasto sa ating anak. What if magtrabaho ka kaya?
May miga ho! Tay naman.
Bakay mo!
Pasensya ka na sa papa mo, nak.
Okay lang yung mahayaan mo na.
Sir?
May maganda akong ialok sa'yo, boy. Ito.
Sir, hindi po magamit yan.
Ayaw mo ba magkapera? Ikaw na bahala dyan, boy.
You can tell by the way I use my walk, I'm a woman's man. No time to talk.
Tay.
Maling ka no? I'm sorry.
Congrats.
Wala kang iya! I am from police department. You're under arrest for corrupting a minor.
Drug addiction would cause several problems such as family separation, drug addiction, academic failure, and more. Mr. Joaquin, stand up.